Good morning, students. Sai Ram. I am Suchita Miss here, your drawing and craft teacher. So, today's topic is cloth bag. So, children, it is very easy and very useful to you. So, when you going to market to bring something, use only cloth bag. Do not use plastic bag. It is very harmful to our nature, our environment, our animal. So avoid the plastic bag and use only cloth bag. So I will teach you in easy method. So let us start, children. But before starting our session, give me one promise, children. After this session, you will use only cloth bag and tell them others children. Okay? So let us start. Here is diagram for cloth bag. Cloth bag. Your topic is a heading. Here I am taking two cloths, any type of cloths, 11 and 15 inch. Length is 15 and width is 11 by 15. So here upside I am taking 1 inch line and again 1 inch line. So total 2 inches lines I am taking here, and this side 3 inches I put there mark. So for the handle I am taking here 14 length and 2.5 inches width. So we require two handles, 2.5 inches. So your A and B part. So your bag will ready afterwards like this, handle and full bag. You can decorate it like this. Cartoon, any type of decoration you can do there. So here two cloths, pieces of cloth, A and B, any type of cloth you can take. For handle I am doing already there, needle and thread. Okay, and scale, eraser, pencil and pen also for the marking, scissor, brushes, flat brushes and fabric color, any color you can take. Okay, let us start. Upside folding 1 inches like this. See the diagram. It is first fold and again fold like this. After that take a needle thread, big thread you can take, knot here like this. Turn your finger and do the knot like this. Do their running stitch, children, like up down up down. Okay, full part you stitch like this, full part. Okay, here both the side, both the part. See, again fold and stitch it here. Okay, for this you can use sewing machine, children. I complete like this with the machine. See, okay, This is A part. Keep like this. Stitching part back side, and B part, overlap it. Stitching part upside, put like this. Proper measurement, proper overlap it, and stitch it here. One side, second side, and third side. Only 3 sides you can stitch here. Take a needle thread, okay, check the knot is there or not. Before that stitching, you will attach the handle first, okay. You will attach the handle first. I already made it. See, like this. Okay, I will show there. 2.5 width and 14 length. Like this you fold both side and overlap it properly and stitch it here with the needle thread or a machine. Again I fold like this and overlap it. Okay, with the needle thread you can stitch here, running stitch like this. Running stitch, up down, up down. Okay, handle with care children, needle. Okay, here already I done it. So first take A part, from this side I will put the mark 3 inch, not a centimeter, 3 inch, and that side also 3 inch. Mark there first. Okay, afterwards put the handle there like this. Okay, properly. Suppose you take for shoulder bag, suppose you will stitch, so you take a measurement lengthwise, you take 20 inches for the handle. Width is okay like this. So check your what is there. Hold like this and downside put the needle. Again running stitch children. Like this and complete it. So here 4 side like a square you can stitch here, square, see. So it will strong. Same here also, like square, upside, side part, downside, and that side part, and in between the square you take cross sign, so it will strong. See like this. Okay, handle put like this and see it is square and in between a cross sign. You complete it like this. Okay, both the part A and B. See, back side also, other part also, children. B part, square and in between cross sign. Okay, so now stitching time. Take A part like this, put like this, stitching part downside, and here stitching part upside. Put the proper like this. Okay, take together both parts. See here, one part, second part and third part. Take needle thread, otherwise you can use machine here. I show here with the thread. See, like this. Okay, complete it with the running stitch. Okay, and complete full line, first line, second line and third line. 3 part you stitch here. See, like this, three parts. After that you will turn it like this, turn. See, and do their proper corner also. This corner also. Okay, the bag is ready now. Now decoration time. Okay, see, first the cut that extra threads like this. Here also. Cut that extra threads. Okay, now take a black color and flat brush. Here you can do like this design or cartoon, and any decoration you can do here. Take flat brush and black color also. Okay, our cloth is so thin, so I will put there a paper, otherwise spoil the bag. Do directly, otherwise you draw first with the pencil, like this stroke you can do there. It is up to you. You like any design, small design, big design, as you like. You complete it, children. Upper part. Turn the part also. See, like this, and put there. draw the design. Like this. Okay, and complete it. You can take any color, any fabric color, but see, your bag is ready now. How nice. See, I have made it with the old jeans, with tiny bags for my mobile holder. Decorate it like this. With the cartoon, any smiley face. Okay, I use these bags for the charging point for my mobile charger. I hold like this side. The bag is ready. See. Okay, hope you will like this session and you will do at home, children. So today's slogan is save nature, save environment by using eco-friendly things. So thank you, children.